Welcome back everybody. This is the last part in the video series where I'll be finishing up the Lowboy project. In this part I'm just going to mainly focus on finishing all the small bits and then basically getting all the handles on and assembling all the final parts before oiling up. Here I'm busy with the spring pole lathe, just finishing up two small parts that will be glued underneath the Lowboy at the front. It's supposed to be acorns, but we'll see how they come out at the end of the day. The two little parts are almost done. One last thing is basically just drill holes so we can pin them to the Lowboy. And here they are. Not exactly how I wanted them to turn out, but as a decorative piece, not too bad. This is the place where you're going to put the two decorative acorn pieces on the bottom of the Lowboy. Now with that out of the way, it's time to make sure I get the correct length of the legs that I want for the Lowboy, as well as ensuring that each leg will be the same length so it can sit flush on a flat surface. So I'm using this tool to mark out each part of the leg, and after that is done, as you can see here, it's time then to saw off the pieces. With that done, the last part is now just to make sure all the leg pieces on the bottoms are rounded over so they don't catch when you actually drag the table across the floor. And finally, all that remains is basically to glue each leg to the Lowboy and wait for the glue to dry. Finally, it's time to oil all the parts of the Lowboy. I basically made my own teak mixture oil here because I wanted to have the red shine through instead of making it amber, which is technically with all the other oils that you usually use. After the oil has dried on the drawers, the last part for that is just to add all the handles, as you can see here. Well, the lowboy is finished, as you can see here. So thank you for everybody watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Cheers!